Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
I found the perfect swimsuit, and I was so excited to wear this for my last vacation. It's so comfortable, and I feel great wearing it. The shell is a cute and adorable print, and it was the perfect fit for me. I love that it's so stretchable, but at the same time, it definitely felt breathable. I was easily able to move around, stretch out in this without it moving around. Not only is it comfortable, cute, and stylish, but it also has a purpose too. This suit is perfect because I love how the top gives you coverage on parts that I would usually get sunburned. The zipper is perfect because it zips up easily and has a cover so it doesn't irritate your skin. It's really well made and it's not going to fall apart anytime soon. I definitely will be using this on my next vacay.
And that's my point of view.